Okay, again. Pag ako seryoso na. Hi! Welcome to my vlog! Tropical Island. It's olive oil, garlic paste, red onion, soya, spices, thyme,
Nag-load.
salt and pepper, chili,
Ano pa?
ginger, mango.
Toyo. Sabi mo na yung mango.
Ready soya.
Meron pa.
Okay.
Oo, di ba? Malapit ka.
I said the chili and the spices. Okay, sorry ma'am. Okay.
Come. Oo, okay.
Sorry, I will talk.
Yes, pang to
Okay. Again. Tropical Island. Olive oil. Garlic paste.
Ilang minutes kaya itong video natin?
Red onion, you listen ma'am. That's why you are interrupting. You don't know what I'm saying. Then after, my brain is slow.
What are you saying?
Yeah. See, interrupting.
Again, from the top.
Okay, again, to the top.
What's the title again?
Tropical Island. Where I am?
Pucha!
Tutia. Okay. Tutia. From the start.
Na, 2 minutes ka na. Hindi ko pa yun
Bakit ang hard ko naman? Hindi pa nga ako nagto-Tropical Island. Tropical Island. Serious guys. Tropical Island.
Tropical.
It's a tropical. Tropical Island. Correction. Tropical Island is that olive oil. See, I know. Taiwan.
Ang kapangalan na yan, Tropical Island. Tropical Island.
1 hour. Okay, serious. Naglit Alisa, Tropical Island.
Ang oras ka na naman.
No honey. Salt and pepper and spices. And chili. Okay, now I know.
Ben, nakakasira na sila sa video mo.
Kaya nga, guys, your...
Sabi mo may online class ka, may online class ka mo ngayon eh.
Okay.
Have online class. Online class here.
Oh, online class. Don't say my question.
Si Killer ko yung bunga nga.
Okay. Again, Tropical Island. Tropical Island is olive oil, garlic paste, red onion, chili, ginger, garlic, spices, salt and pepper, mango, thyme. Again, repeat.
Tsaka, may katunog pa yun. May katunog pa yun. Time, tsaka,
Salt and pepper.
patunogan ng may puta yan.
Spices.
Lime.
Lime.
Katunog ng time.
Okay, repeat. Tropical Island. Until not coming in the mind, repeat. Yes. Just let her. Yes. Tropical Island. Tropical Island is olive oil, garlic paste,
Red.
red onion, red onion. Again, repeat. Tropical Island, olive oil, garlic paste, red onion, chili, soya, ginger, lime, thyme, spices, and salt and pepper. And I thank you.
Yeah!
Mango puree.
One more time.
Oh, thank you. Mikaela.
Biglang bata.
Biglang binanat sa akin, no? Dikit.